Meaning of ill treatment.
Ill treatment.
Ill treatment.
Ill treatment.
Ill treatment. Ill treatment refers to mistreatment, abuse, or any kind of harm inflicted on someone. It can take many forms, such as physical violence, emotional abuse, neglect, discrimination, or exploitation. Ill treatment can have serious consequences for the victim, including physical injuries, psychological trauma, loss of self-esteem, and social isolation. It can also lead to long-term health problems and even death in severe cases. It is a violation of basic human rights and should never be tolerated in any form. Those who experience ill treatment should seek help and support from trained professionals and authorities.